everyone, welcome back. It's Charlotte from At Charlotte's House. I am here today to share with you a really fun DIY that I did using my leftover macrame rope. Stay tuned. I made this wall hanging yesterday and I realized halfway through the video that my sound wasn't turned on, so I'm back to do the introduction again, but that's why this video may seem a little choppy. I am using this leftover cotton rope that I love to use for my macrame. I will include a link in the video description. One of the things I love about this rope, aside from the fact that it's cotton, which is essential, is that I can untwist the ends and it gives me this really, really fun, shaggy appearance. I'm gonna take my rope, I'm gonna drape it over the dowel, and then I'm gonna pull the end through that loop. So simple. And then when you have them all hanging, you can start untwisting the ends. So now I'm going to send you back to the video that I made yesterday so you can watch the rest of the tutorial. I'm going to saturate the rope another 5 or 6 inches. And now I have some blue dye. And I've watered the dye down quite a bit. But I actually love the way that looks. The nice thing about working with the rope that's already wet is that it has a nice kind of watercolor effect when the two colors meet, and I'm loving that. And where the two colors meet, I'm really using an extra dose of dye because I love the way those two are mixing. I've decided I'm gonna leave the top of this wall hanging undyed, but I wanna ease the gradient a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump out half of this and add some water, and I'm hoping that that will make it just diluted enough that I can sort of work my way from this bright pink to a very, very pale pink. So I added quite a bit of water, and I'm gonna saturate the end again. I'm painting another inch or so, and I'll probably add a little bit more water to this one last time. Again, I'm trying to work my way up to that raw rope color. And actually, I don't think I need to add any more water. I think I'm gonna go over this one more time, and then I'm gonna spray it, and adding that layer of spray just dilutes it ever so slightly. This has been such a fun project. So I'm really concentrating my spray right where that last bit of paint is meeting the rope. I'm gonna leave this to dry and then I'm gonna find a place to hang it up, but I think it looks so pretty. You can't go wrong with rainbows, can you? Here's the finished product. And to say I love this is an understatement. I am obsessed. It's still a tiny bit damp, but the dye has completely absorbed all the way to the back. It is so colorful and pretty. I'm crazy about this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day, everyone.